Hello everyone, welcome to Sungold channel. This is Wendy. Today we are going to talk about converting the kilowatt-hours to amperes and the Ampere-Hours to kilowatt-hour. This is important knowledge for us who are interested in energy efficiency and power management. Let's start with a quick overview. In today's world, energy efficiency and power management are crucial. Whether you are using a solar system, battery storage, or any other electric appliance, how to convert between the kilowatt-hours, amperes, and Ampere-Hours can improve your ability to design and maintain efficient electric system. First, let's talk about the online calculators. There are various calculators available to help you convert kilowatt-hour to ampere, ampere to kilowatt-hour, kilowatt-hour to Ampere-hour, and Ampere-hours to kilowatt-hour. Those calculators can make your calculations much easier. Now, let's divide into what a kilowatt-hour is. A kilowatt-hour is a standard unit used to express the amount of electric energy used. It represents the produce of power and time. For example, if a 1000 watt appliance operates for 1 hour, it will consume 1 kilowatt-hour of electric energy. Kilowatt-hour is widely used in homes, business, and industries to calculate electricity consumption. The electricity consumption shared on electric bills is measured in kilowatt-hour. This helps us understanding and manage our energy usage. It is also an important metric for analyzing the efficiency of appliance and planning for renewable energy systems. Next, let's understand what Ampere-Hours are. Ampere-Hours is a unit of battery capacity. It indicates how much current a battery can deliver in 1 hour. For example, a battery with a capacity of 100 ampere-hour can provide 100 amperes of current in 1 hour, or 10 amperes of current in 10 hours. In solar panel systems and other energy storage systems, the Ampere-Hours is crucial as it determines how much power the battery can store and deliver. What about amperes? An ampere is a unit of electric current. It implies the strength of current flowing in an electric circuit. Now, let's understand the different electric units. In addition to kilowatt-hours and amperes, we need to understand the units like watts, watt-hours, kilowatt-hours, amperes, and Ampere-hours. Watt is the basic unit of power and is used to measure the energy consumption or generating the capacity of an electric device. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. 1 hour is a unit of energy used to measure the total amount of energy consumed or produced by a device in a specific period. 1 watt-hour represents the amount of energy consumed or produced by a device that operates at 1 watt of power for 1 hour. Kilowatt-hours are a multiple of watt-hours. 1 kilowatt-hour equals 1000 watt-hours. It is used in electricity measurement to indicate the amount of energy consumed by a device operating at 1000 watts of power for 1 hour. To summarize, watt is a unit of power that implies the instantaneous energy consumption or generating the capacity of an appliance. Watt-hour and kilowatt-hour are units of energy that represent the total energy consumed or produced in a given period of time. Ampere is an unit of electric current and implies the strength of current flow. Ampere-hours is a unit of battery capacity and represents the total amount of power in a battery can provide. For example, if you run a 20 ampere device on a standard 120 voltage circuit for 4 hours, you can calculate the energy consumption as follows. Converting the Ampere-Hours to kilowatt-hours is useful if in determining the state of a power plant or battery. Moving on to Ampere-Hours to Kilowatt-Hour Conversion. This means that a battery can provide 1.2 kilowatt-hour of energy fully discharged. We can also look at the conversions at different. Now let's talk about the kilowatt-hour to Ampere-hour conversion. Converting kilowatt-hours to Ampere-hours is electric when estimating the battery capacity. Now let's explore the Sungold BXF series portable solar panels. The Sungold BXF series portable solar panel laminated solar panel are an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable and scalable home, RV or outdoor energy solution. The solar panel can directly charge your smartphones, tablets, laptops, and portable stations. It does not store any electricity because there are no batteries inside. The 200 watts solar panel does not have a junction box that comes with its overchangeable relay. They are durable. The glass's ATFE surface materials provide super smoothness and is easy to clean. The ATFE laminated design makes it extremely resistant to heat and corrosion. Battery grades are designed on the back of the panel to prevent the battery repairs and extend battery life. Groundbreaking clothes is used for stable places. It's more resistant to dirt and is cost-effective. The full solar panel consists of an array of high-efficiency solar cells with a consumption rate of up to 24% from sunlight to electricity. The smart chip intelligence recognizes your device and maximizes its transient bandwidth while protecting your device from overcharging. They offer instant installation of solar system. Small voltage solar transient controller is plug and play. The 200-watt solar panel can be installed in just 20 seconds. It supports more angle adjustments. The solar panel stands firmly and ensures optimal sunlight absorption with the adjustable bracket. Now let's answer some frequently asked questions. Why is it's important to convert Amp-hour to kilowatt-hours or kilowatt-hours to Ampere-hour. Converting Ampere-hours to kilowatt-hour is a crucial to understanding battery and capacity and energy consumption. It allows to compare batteries of different voltage and capacities to help you choose the right battery for your needs. Can I directly converting kilowatts to amperes? No, it is not possible to convert kilowatts to amperes directly without knowing the system voltage. For direct current cases, alternated current cases, the power factor also needs to be considered. What is the difference between kilowatt-hour and 2 ampere-hour? A kilowatt-hour measures energy and indicates the amount of electricity consumed over a period of time. Ampere-hour measures change and represents the amount of electricity flowing in 1 hour. Kilowatt-hour measures energy, while Ampere-hour measures its ability of battery to store of delivery change. How do I convert Ampere-hours to amperes? Ampere-hours are equal to the number of amperes multiplied by the number of hours. If your appliance drives 20 amperes of current in 1 hour, it's 20 current 1 hour, 20 to 28 hours. Okay, that's all for the today's theory. I hope this knowledge has been helpful to you. Thank you for listening. See you next time.